y'all, welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this video. So y'all, let me tell you something. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Now, put in the comment section if you can relate to what I'm finna tell you. The water situation. I'm drinking more water now, okay? Even more water. And I'm telling you, this water is not, the water is leaving a chemically taste, okay? I don't drink tap water, but I do drink, the bottled water and the, we have the dispenser. So either buying like Members Mark water or either, the water for the thing. Either way. It has it's like there's more chemicals being put in it. It's a funny taste. So y'all let me know if y'all been noticing this. The water, and I've noticed something. Certain waters bother my gut. When I drink it, it's like it's acidic or something. Like, it bothers my gut. For someone that has GERD, and had it all my life, I know when something is off. And I notice when I drink the water, it just do not, it ain't, And that's my thing. When it gets down to things that we need, like we need water, and the water is, and I think I saw an article some weeks ago where they were saying they was trying to get these water companies to stop putting all them chemicals, like overdoing it with the chemicals. And I'm telling you, good God Almighty, I'm telling you, it seems like more and more is getting added to it. It don't taste right. It do not taste right. It tastes like it's overly processed or something. Like, the taste that it leaves is not, it ain't right. It is not right. I can tell you that it's not right at all. It's a, I can't even call it a fresh taste. It's, I don't know. And then don't let it get warm, like room temperature. You can taste it even more. And it almost seems like it could be the plastic from the bottle or something. It just is not a pleasant taste, okay? And I've tried different water. I think I'm going to buy Aquafina. What is it? Aquafina. The last time I had one of those, I didn't taste it in that one, but I know the one that I use now, and the one that I had gotten from Members Mark brand, they don't taste right at all, y'all. And it's just like, dang. Now that's one thing we can't hardly prepare for, is water. We need water, and you have to, even if you get it and purify it yourself, you're still gonna have stuff in it, So when we buy something simple as water, we already been talking about the food, but when we buy something as simple as water and something that we need, we already know we gotta up it in other areas. We gotta try to eat healthy as possible in other areas, just to try to level out to some source of things that we cannot control, which is our water, which is, the water that we drink. It's just like, you can't win for losing, seem like. You cannot win for losing. It's always something, especially when it comes to what people is giving us to put into our bodies. We need water. We need that. We need food. But you can kind of get around that by growing your own food or stocking up on certain things. If you get something that's really, really good and no problem, stock up on it. We can kind of try to weed that out and get around that. You got farmers and stuff that's growing food and all that type of stuff. People raising chickens and, quails and all that. So we can kind of get around that a little bit. But water? Like, how do we do that? And you can try to purify it as much as you can, but you still getting the source from somewhere, and it just, And most of us don't stay where you got no natural spring water, and I still feel like that's got to be boiled, and you know, all that stuff. It'll be something from it. It'll be something from it. I don't know. And I feel like this is just another way to cause an issue, because you can taste the chemicals in this water. You can literally taste it. Y'all comment below and let me know. Make sure I know I ain't the only one that is recognizing this. I'm not the only one that is, you know, I ask my kids and they say when it get warm they taste it or something, but they kids. They don't really know what they taste. I've been drinking water for a long time, and I know that it's to intensify. Something in the water has intensified. It don't take a rocket science to figure that out. So, yeah, y'all let me know below, because something is not right. We're going to have to continue to prepare where we can. This is one of them things that's out of our range, you know, we talking about stocking up on water, and stocking up, and the water done got worse and worse and worse. Something to cut us every which way. Do believe, don't think these folks is not watching these videos that content creators, whether you on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or whatever. When you're talking about preparedness, please understand these folks be watching these videos. They be watching these videos and they know exactly what angle. But if you don't put it out there, how can you help people to prepare? So when you do put it out there, they watching and know what moves to go make. You know, it's because something ain't right. Something is not right. So I'm gonna leave it right there, y'all. Comment, let me know what you think. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. I want y'all to be safe as possible, okay? Love y'all. Mwah. Bye.